In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store to download free app called Coffin. Keep screen on from this developer. Not sponsored, by the way. When your app is ready, launch it and hit OK in Welcome pop-up. If you want, you can click on Timeout to make sure Infinite is on, and also check out all the other options for the future. Now, to make it work, go into Tab menu by swiping down from the top right corner of your screen twice. Now you need to edit your shortcuts. To do that, click on those three dots at the top right corner. Tap on Edit Tiles. Then look for Caffeine shortcut by swiping to the left. And when you find it, add it thanks to this green button at the top right corner of it. When it's in your current shortcuts, hold it, drag it to the perfect place for you, and let go. Then go back thanks to this arrow at the top left corner. Now click on your shortcut, and as you can see, mine is blue. That means that infinite sleep time is on. But you can always switch it off by tapping on the same shortcut until it's gray. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!